Vulcan. Going all Star Trek on us. BCI Vulcan. So this is a brand that is a little bit more maybe uncommon, but they really only build high tier gaming PCs on Amazon. So let's jump over here and take a look. 3090, that's great. We're looking at an i9 10900. So I think this is one of the only ones here that has this CPU. So we're down here at the 1, 2, 3, 6 spots. And the number 6. CPU. We're still number 1 on GPU though, so that's great. What else we got? Anything else noteworthy here? We've got 1 terabyte of SSD plus 1 terabyte of HDD at only 7,200 RPM. That's kind of weak, a bit weak. And only 24 gigabytes of RAM. What's our design look like? Anything? And a really basic, non-flashy, non-showy design is the black case. Maybe this is your thing though. You're not one for the lights. You know, there are some cases where you don't want blaring LED lights in your gaming layer. It can distract. Those of you who are looking for some different maybe options here, this one's a little bit better.
Really quick, gaming creators, if you have not already entered our $1,100 Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes, you got to do it. Link in the description below. It includes Rode, who hooked us up with this Rode Procaster microphone, shock mount, boom arm, and the mixer to go with it. If you want to sound this good, let me just show you the package. It's freaking great. Take a look. It also includes this mixer right here, which is arguably the highest end creator mixer on the market. Plus, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a Legend license if you want to step up your YouTube channel management game, and Restream threw in a license as well if you want to stream to multiple platforms at the same time and grow through live streaming faster. This costs $0 to enter. Link in the description below. If you want to enter the sweepstakes, if you want to sound this good, the exact package we use on the podcast every single day, and the tools we use to manage our channels and help our clients, all free as a part of this sweepstakes. Good luck. I hope you win. Adios, gaming creators. Appreciate you.